Brand new to our inventory here at the all-new Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 1LT Crew Cab pickup. On the outside of the Silverado, you have heated and power door mirrors, a rear step bumper, and a tonneau cover. Inside, you'll find comfortable, easy-to-clean cloth seating for 6, automatic temperature control, and a rear backup camera. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected on the go. This one-owner 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 has less than 53,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck buyback protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive.